Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to begin with permissions and a focused target. Start OBS as administrator, then run the game normally. This fixes permission conflicts. Once done, add a game capture source and choose Capture Specific Window or the game's process by name so OBS binds correctly. Make sure to disable full screen optimizations in the game exe properties if present. That prevents many black screens. Also check display capture only if game capture fails, because it behaves differently with overlays and GPU settings. Next, fix GPU mismatches and capture mode. If you have dual GPUs, open your graphics control panel and force OBS to run on the same GPU as the game. Otherwise, the game may render on one GPU and OBS sees nothing. If the game is full screen, switch it to borderless windowed or windowed mode for more reliable capture. Also disable hardware acceleration in Chrome, Discord, or other apps to avoid conflicts. These steps resolve most middle-stage capture failures by aligning rendering paths. Finally, apply updates and validate sources. Update OBS, GPU drivers, and Windows so known bugs are fixed, then restart both OBS and the game to apply settings. If game capture still shows a black screen, swap to window capture or display capture temporarily. One of those will work while you debug. If problems persist, check antivirus overlays and try running OBS and the game with admin rights together. One quick troubleshooting tip. Toggle the game's full screen / borderless mode and restart capture to force a new rendering handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.